Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is car price prediction application. We have created this web application using Streamlit. So this application will predict the price of a car based on some features. Like here we have given some of the parameters on which we need to give some input values, and on the basis of that input values, just random values, it will predict the price of a car. So here the symboling means the insurance risk rating that is assigned to a car, the name of the car, fuel type, aspiration, the body of the car, drive wheel, location of the engine, wheelbase, length and width and height of the car, then curve weight, size of the engine, what is the fuel system in the car, bore ratio, horsepower, peak RPM, CT, MPG means the mileage of the car in the city and mileage of the car in the highway. So let's enter some of the values. Like for symboling 3, name of the car, let's say Audi, fuel type is gas or either diesel. The body of the car, whether it is convertible or not, let's assume it convertible. Drive wheel, forward, location of the engine in the front, base of the wheel, really 88.2, length of the car, like very random values we are assuming. 234, width 400, height of the car is weight of the curve is size of the engine, what is the fuel system, what is the bore ratio, so 3, the horsepower, let's say 111, peak RPM is let's assume it to be 5000, the mileage in the city is let's say 21 and the mileage on the highway is 27. So here you can see that we have entered all the values. Now let's click predict button and predict the price of the car. So you can see that on the basis of some input values that we have given, it has predicted the price of the car. And if you want to get the source code for this project, you can click here on file section and navigate to app.py file. Here you can see that this is the code which is used to create this application. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.